How to fix PowerPoint designer button not working. In this video, I'll show you what to do if your designer button isn't doing anything when you click it. Please consider liking and subscribing if this video helps you out. First and foremost, the designer button's only going to work if you have a Microsoft 365 subscription. If you're not paying for the monthly or yearly subscription, this may not work, so this is just one thing to keep in mind. Otherwise, when you click the designer button, it's supposed to pop up ideas like this. However, this last week I was having an issue where I would click this and essentially nothing would happen. I ended up discovering that certain add-ins for PowerPoint have the ability to completely break this button. To go ahead and fix your button, click on Tools in the tab up here and then click on Add-ins. Once you're in this list, go ahead and uncheck all of your add-ins, close PowerPoint, and then open it back up. When it gets back up, try using your designer button again, and there's a very, very high chance it's going to be working. If you are still having issues, I would recommend the uninstall and reinstall, and also since you should have this subscription, it's very worth trying PowerPoint in a web browser, as you can use that as an alternative way to use the designer and then bring it to your desktop. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you because it would really help me out. Thank you so much for watching.